What's up, roadies? It's your boy Leroy coming to you with another exciting tutorial. Today, we need to change out the number 3 fuel injection seal. Fuel injector seal. It's right back there. Let me turn the light on. Today, we are replacing the number 3 fuel injection seal. See, the seal's right back there. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to remove this harness here and this harness here. You probably don't have to, but I like to get it out of the way so you have a clear, straight, direct access to your 10 millimeter bolts. And let me show you the tools you're going to need to do this job. As I was saying, you're going to need a 10 millimeter socket, 3/4 inch wrench, opened end. That's the end you're going to be operating with. Maybe a couple extensions, and this sensor socket. It's also 3/4. Now I want to tell you something about the new seal as it goes in. There is a way you don't want to put in upside down. I mean, it looks the same, but really, if you look right here, I colored it so you can see. It actually says top. So you must make sure to put that at the top when you install it. You want it up like that. All right, let's get started. All right, see, just turn it here and here, and pulls right out of the way so you have easy access. There. Not the most room in the world. Okay, then we remove the 10 millimeter bolts. Easy peasy. And the next one. All right, people pay big money to have this done when really you could do it yourself. It's not much to it. That is why they call me the do-it-yourself Ed Fight. Okay, now you take your sensor socket, 3/4, put it on there, and try to break her loose. Sometimes it's really tight, sometimes not. This one wasn't. That's probably why it was leaking. All right. And she's out of there, man. Now when you pull it out, it's going to have a little bit of fuel. Not to worry, no biggie. See? That's what it looks like. And this is the seal. Bingo. Okay, while she's off, I want to clean up the area. Nice dry rag. Clean her up. After we install it, we're going to clean the side of the engine block because there's a lot of fuel along the side of the engine. I like to do a clean job. You know what I mean? All right, guys, remember I said, make sure the seal's turned the right way up. That's the top there. And you don't want to drop your socket. It's kind of hard to get your hand in there and put that bolt in. So you can put it in the hole already of the seal and screw her in just to get her started. No harm, no foul. Easy peasy. All right. Let's try to get this next one in there. Not going to be as easy. Oh, we got it, I think. Yep, ran her in there. Good to go. But you don't want to tighten her up yet because you still got to get the fuel line installed. So here's a trick to this. Get in there through this slot. Get this end of the fuel rail started. Just 1 or 2 turns. Take your socket, your wrench, and you push it in there. Now you know you're in place. And there's a lot of screw on the lip. Once you get a couple screws going, you can't pull it out. That's how you know you're in. So I like to use the wrench. It's a little easier than using that sensor socket just to get her snug. Okay? Just to get her snug. A lot faster. You guys see how quick this is being done? And what, at the shop, they probably charge you guys like $200 or maybe more for 20 minutes of work? Come on, man. I'm your guy. I'm gonna help you save money. All right, that's nice and snug. Let's go on and tighten up the 10mm bolts now, because we don't want to forget about those. Done there. Now let's tighten this bad boy up. There we go. And for the sensor socket, get this bad boy nice and tight. There we go. I like to mark it, afterwards, so I know that I did tighten it. You know what I mean? No one could tell me otherwise. Now, we put the brake harness back in there. It only goes in one way. And secure it now. Done deal, y'all. And that is how you replace a fuel injector seal. Buckle up, dry safe.